Here you go, switch your goggles.
Yeah, man, this is gonna mess you up.
Right? You see what I mean? It's hard to go in a straight line, isn't it?
Okay.
This is hilarious. Don't trust your inner ear. You have to trust your visual sense only.
Come on, Foxy, you got this, you got this, you got this, you got this.
Make a right, man, make a right. Make a right. Don't hit the fire truck! Ah! He's gonna pilot the Avata, and I'm gonna steer this bike using only what I can see from his Avata. Think it'll work? Think I'll crash?
Let's find out.
Well, let's do it. Just remember that I can only, you have to give me something to see. I don't even know if I can keep balance. If you stay directly behind me,
I will try my best. Your brain and ears are going to be messing with you severely.
yeah.
Is this a good idea?
Because right now it feels like if I go forward, I'm gonna hit the tripod. Okay, I'm going. Oh God, I'm going. Oh, this is messed up. Oh, this is so messed up, man. Oh, this is so messed up. I feel like I'm gonna run over Keith. Oh my God, I can't believe I'm doing this. I can't believe it. Oh, I'm gonna crash for real. Oh, Can you get a shot of me from in front?
Yeah.
Oh, now this is gonna really mess me up. I don't know if I can do it. I don't know if I can do it. I see me,
just go straight.
but I don't know. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna hit anything. You guys tell me to go left or right. I don't want to hit the tripod. Oh my God, this is so messed up. I'm gonna go right in the fence. Oh my God. Oh my God, I can't do it. Oh my God. Chris, you gotta try this. You wanna try it? You wanna try it? It's so messed up, man.
You know what? Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, bring it down.
Here you go, switch your goggles. All right, I'm gonna stay in normal mode because it'll be a little more stable for you.
All right.
Can you see what I'm seeing?
I do.
All right, go for it, dude. I'll try to stay right behind you.
Oh, gosh.
You see?
Kickstand, kickstand.
The kickstand's on, man. Take the kickstand off.
Let's go.
I'll make it look like a video game. Like I'm right behind you. Oh, he's doing a lot better than me. He's gonna make a left, make a left, make a left.
Oh.
You see? It's messed up, isn't it? Right? You see what I mean? It's hard to go in a straight line, isn't it?
Okay.
All right, hold on, let me get in position. Do a circle around the fire truck and I'll be really impressed.
Wait, okay, where are the pedals? Where are the pedals? Come on, Foxy.
20 bucks. You gotta go right.
Oh! All right.
This is hilarious. You can...
Come on, Foxy, you got this, you got this, you got this, you got this.
Make a right, man, make a right. Make a right.
Whoa.
Don't hit your own car.
There's a brake.
All right, go. You can go around the fire truck. We can do it.
All right, here we go.
Go ahead. I'll stay right behind you.
Why am I right? Wow.
Yeah, right?
Wow. Why am I going to go right?
Who's next? I know who's next.
Oh.
Barkley, get on that bike. Get on that bike. So Chris, you're about to fly with these goggles, with the Avata for the first time, but I have to put this into manual mode. First thing you want to do is go into settings. Go into remote controller. Go down to the bottom into custom mode and make sure that that's in manual mode. So you want to go into gain and expo and go down to M mode altitude limit. If it's on, turn it off. It'll ask you to confirm. That will allow it to go past and do flip-de-doos and everything. Of course, you can adjust the rates if you want. Take off from the hay bike. Throttle up.
Here we go.
All right, now hover there and we'll put you in manual mode.
Okay, I see sport. I see manual. There it is.
Okay. So you have to line up the little... Are you in manual?
I am manual.
Okay. Oh, yeah, he is. All right. What do you think about Wacro? That flavor of Acro?
It flies like a traditional 3-inch, but more stable.
Now, you don't want to fly this like a 5-inch. You know, it is a Whoop after all. But I'm sure you can do a power loop, couldn't you? Or get stuck under the fire engine. Did you get stuck under the fire engine?
I got stuck under the fire engine. Nice socks, by the way.
Oh, yeah, they are. Your thoughts, sir, of the goggles?
I need these. I definitely need these. They can fit my bag a lot easier than the original and the V2s. The antennas look like they are more robust. The whole thing looks like it could also be used as a mouth breather or a cosplay piece. With
Yeah,
how these are.
You can swim underwater for about an hour just using those for a breather. The 1080 OLED screen is amazing. These will be backwards compatible by December, just in time for
Christmas.
That's right. You ready to try again?
Let's go.
Now I gotta put it into manual mode for you.
Sport. Manual.
See that car down there?
Which one? This one?
The one that's moving? The white one?
Yes.
See if you can go and do an orbit around it.
What's the camera angle on this?
15% by default, but you can use this wheel to go up or down if you need it.
Probably not gonna do it right now.
Yeah, don't want to do that. Are you over by the car?
Oh yeah, I'm orbiting it right now.
Okay. Now come back this way and go up a little bit and maybe try a power loop. Okay. All right.
A little prop wash there, but not bad.
All right. See if you can fly through the fence, under the fence. Is it floaty or anything?
It does feel a little floaty.
Yeah. Okay.
I've got something on the lens, but it's all right.
Oh wait, I'll get it. I'll just get that schmutz. There we go. Is that better?
Yep.
All right, you're good to go. Off you go. Through my legs and under the fire truck. Without hitting the tripod, that's good.
Woo!
You did it? Nice, nice. Now we're gonna do something. We're gonna put it back into normal mode. I threw my legs and under the fire truck. And you see how much easier it is.
There's no pitch to it. This is not natural.
You'll be fine. You got this.
No, it's not gonna let me go low enough.
Yeah, it is.
No, it won't, because that's why.
It landed on its own?
Yeah, I tried to go low enough to go through the fire truck and it landed.
Am I gonna have to show you how to do it?
I believe so.
All right. I'm gonna go under my own legs and under the fire truck. Oh, it won't go any lower without landing. Ah.
See what I mean? You see what I mean?
Oh yeah. Well, that sucks. So what'd you think?
I think I need to lean left.
No, I meant of the hay bike.
Hey, yes, I like it.
It's a good bike, isn't it?
It is.
Link in the description.
How much?
This much. Oh, that's reasonable.
Baby, I want that for Christmas.
Yeah, you gotta have that. It makes a great stocking stuffer if you have a giant stocking. Thanks to Ken Dono for the Avata, and get yourself some ribbed riders. There's a link in the description. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Buh.
And bye. All right, connected.
I'm gonna do it.
Low power.
Here it comes. You know what saved you?
What's that?
The rib riders. Because when they bump into stuff, they save the drone.
Did I just get assaulted and left?
I think you did, yeah. Do I need a helmet? Nah.
Does Tennessee have helmet laws?
Helmets are for pussies.